Hello, this is James from Demark. Today I will show you our laser cleaning machine series, and this is just the past one laser cleaning machines. And I will show you this is the 100 watts pulse laser cleaning machine. These are the 200 watts pulse laser cleaning machine, and these are the 300 watts pulse laser cleaning machine. So these three are just pulse ones and very comfortable, and you can just put in your trunk of the car. So it's very easy for your car service. And behind them, let's introduce these two are just for the 3,000 watts continuous laser cleaning machine. Okay, and this one are for our customer. This is their logo, and you can take a close look. This is the 300 watts laser source. Yes. Yeah, and this is the control board. Okay, and this is 20 meters long cable, and here are the cleaning head, and very light, very lightweight. Okay, so it can just very high efficient for cleaning the rust. Okay, I put back. Okay, so that's two. So if you just want to have the continuous laser cleaning machine, you can contact us. And now today we have the test. Please stay here. Okay. Now, and today we're just going to test these machines with such the parts, you can say. Okay. So first, let's test on cleaning the rusted plate. First, let's try 1.5 kilowatts, and let's click input 1.5 kilowatts. This is 1500 kilowatts, and we start. Okay. So first, so this is 1.5 kilowatts effect. Now let's try 2 kilowatts. As you can see. So these are the 2 kilowatts effect. Okay, now let's try 3 kilowatts, and this is the touch screen, and we just click on the button. Yes. Okay. Now let's see the difference. 3 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts, 1.5 kilowatts. Different. Let's write some marks on them. As you can see, now we have some marks: 1.5 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts, 3 kilowatts. And for 3 kilowatts, you can clearly see it's very clean and fast. Let's make a comparison of the 3 powers. So you can see the 3000 watts is the most powerful and fast. The second is 2 kilowatts. Now let's start testing cleaning the paint. As you can see, first let's try 1.5 kilowatts. OK， 2000，哎，他们先回去。Now we just to 2 kilowatts. Okay, this is 1.5, this is 2 kilowatts. Now let's try 3 kilowatts. You 稍微留一个边儿，不要完全跟它在一起。这扫这就扫，扫这2个是可以的。开始啊。Okay, so this is 3 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts, different. And let's try 3 kilowatts again in a large area. Now let's make some marks on the different area. 3 kilowatts. 1.5 kilowatts, 2 kilowatts. Let's do a comparison. So thank you for your time, and that is for the laser cleaning on both the rust and paint. If you want to get a laser cleaning machine, you can contact us, and also you can send your samples to us to make a testing. We can do it for you. And thank you again for your time. And this is James from Demark. Have a good day.